Hi guys, and for today's video, this is another plane. I have this nice plane you'll ever seen. So this is Qatar Airways 37808. Get started. First we have 4 doors here in the front and the back, but you cannot open them, made of metal. There's no people, so no seats. It says Qatar. And I had the cockpit. And then the wing here, the tail, and the big giant wings. You cannot shake it, no. Nothing is inside, made of metal. You cannot open the roof because they made of metal box of what do you call this? Box. And we have a light here. I want milk. Milk there. And then I got the paper here in the front.
You're going to spaghetti uniform tomorrow?
The front. The front and the back.
What?
I made some tape and I paint properly. And I made a giant airplane. The body. Made of metal. I made some tape here because it's gonna go up, down, because it will fall. And I made these and the wings. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings, and the Qatar logo. There it is, Qatar. The other side too. Qatar. So bye guys, and for watching.